In a world where speed defines success and data defines decisions, one company is leading the transformation. Welcome to 3D Peak Tech, where artificial intelligence meets real-world business efficiency. Today, we introduce a revolutionary platform that changes the way companies operate. AI Business Bot, the intelligent assistant that connects people, data, and systems, all through a single conversation. Imagine your entire company connected through WhatsApp. Your employees, your clients, your operations, all communicating naturally with an AI that truly understands. Need to check production reports? The bot retrieves them instantly from SAP. Need to approve an order or review inventory? Just send a message. The AI Business Bot replies in real time, learns from every interaction, and automates the next step, saving hours of repetitive work and eliminating human error. Behind every message, there's a powerful control center, a web dashboard that gives you full visibility over your company's digital ecosystem. Here, managers can monitor conversations, synchronize SAP or KAPIS data, and track AI performance across departments. Interactive charts, predictive analytics, and automation flows are displayed in a clean, futuristic interface, built for engineers, executives, and innovators. Every workflow, every alert, every decision is powered by AI precision. The automation engine uses an intelligent node system, data input to AI processing, to SAP integration, and finally back to human response. It's like having a virtual team that never sleeps, constantly optimizing communication, resources, and results. From customer service to internal logistics, the AI Business Bot adapts to your structure and grows with your business. This is not just a chatbot, it's your new digital coworker, fast, reliable, and always learning. This is the future of enterprise